Happy 330A day, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and Mr. Panda, no, Dash James and Mr. Panda Peaks from over the 14S coming to you from Sector 15D. It's the over at the Zara store, downtown, no, Disney Springs, excuse me. Interesting, we got a 330A. Opens from that side. Oh, there's a mirror there. Go to 2. Watch the indicator. Button already went out. Y'all know door close does not work on a Schindler. Yikes. Here's certificate E900905. Expiration date in 2020. HT vandal resistant fixtures. ADA compliant foam. They look nice cat nonetheless. There's some mirrors there. This place looks very European in a way. There it goes, and that will be it.